Attachment is a state in which our sense of identity becomes entangled with the desire to possess, be it objects, outcomes, beliefs, achievements, or people. This clinging fosters dependence, pulling us away from the present moment and binding us to impermanence. We inhabit a world where everything is fleeting. Relationships evolve or dissolve, possessions wear out or disappear, and even our own lives pass like shadows. To anchor ourselves to what's transient is to sow the seeds of suffering. Many mystical traditions identify attachment as the root cause of suffering. Sufism echoes this insight but adds a nuanced view. It is not the possession itself that binds us, but the inability to become free from the thought and desire behind possession. One may enjoy the comforts of life, a home, a friend, a moment of joy, but remains inwardly free. When these vanish, the heart remains tranquil, for its peace does not come from the external, but from the remembrance of the eternal. True detachment does not call for renunciation of the world or indifference to those we love. Rather, it invites us into a deeper, more conscious way of being, fully immersed in life, yet free at the core, to be in the world but not of the world. On the Sufi path, detachment is possible through selfless love. It is only when the heart is unburdened by the need to own and control that it becomes a mirror to the divine.